Hi, this is the Button Guy, and today I'll demonstrate the pneumatic button press. The pneumatic button press is intended for high-volume button making. To operate the press, you will need to have it hooked up to an air compressor. Let's begin. Slide the die table to the left. This will reveal the shell die. Place the shell face up in the shell die. Then place the artwork on top of the shell, followed by the mylar. Slide the die table to the right. Press down on the foot pedal to lower the pickup die. When you release the pedal, the pickup die moves back up. Place the pin back face down into the crimp die. Slide the die table to the left. Press down on the foot pedal, then release. Your button is now complete. Remember, shell, artwork, mylar, slide, press, pin back, slide, press, complete. Want to learn more? Then check out my other videos or visit thebuttonguy.net. For button parts, machines, and other supplies, contact buttongiant.com or peoplepowerpress.org.